Hey Garrett, you in here? Yeah, I'm over here. Got something to show you. What's in the box? I got us some more awesome stuff to put on the back of the Mustang. It's gonna make it look perfect. That's right. Ever since the 1966 Lamborghini Miura started the trend, and Ford popularized the sport slats on the Mustang Mach 1, I've always thought Mustangs looked better with a rear window louver. It's time to make my own dream come true. But first, I need to clean off the rear window. Much better. This louver in particular is designed to be removable, making cleaning a wash. There are 6 mounting brackets that will stick to the rear window. With the brackets installed, it's time for a quick test fit. The bottom of the louver will tuck under the rear trunk lid. Before I stick the brackets down, I added a few pieces of felt on spots that may cause noises against the glass. With the louver back on and lined up, it's time to make the magic happen. Once all the brackets are stuck down, it's a good idea to remove the louver from the brackets and press the brackets down firmly. Oh man, that looks awesome. Now I almost want to paint match it to the body, like the side ones are. That'll be a later project though. On my test drive, I did not notice any abnormal wind noise. Any I did hear comes from the side louver's scoop. There's also a surprising amount of visibility out the back window. Pardon the interruption, but I just had to tell you about some new merch. There's now a shirt specifically for the Mustang. Simple, yet iconic. Get yours now with the link up in the corner or down in the description.